Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Now we discuss about 20 MCQs of history of English literature related restoration period and neoclassical period today. तो फ्रेंड्स आज हम रेस्टोरेशन पीरियड एंड न्यूक्लासिकल पीरियड से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर से संबंधित हैं। तो फ्रेंड्स वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। तो समय को ना वेस्ट करते हुए फ्रेंड्स शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट। तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट क्या है? तो व्हेन रेस्टोरेशन टुक प्लेस इन इंग्लैंड, व्हाट विल बी आंसर क्या होगा? तो द रेस्टोरेशन इज यूज्ड टू रिफर to the return of monarchy in Britain in 1660 when Charles II became the King of England. So the option D is correct. 1660 option D is correct. Next question number 2. What is neoclassical? What is neoclassical? What will be answer? The answer will be revival of classical age. So the option D is correct. Next question number, which period is known as the first phase of neoclassicism? What will be answer? The answer will be 1660 to 1700. So the option D is correct. Next question number 4. Who rejected Elizabethan trends? What will be answer? The answer will be new classical writers. Option B is correct. Next question. Question number 5. Who is the greatest poet of during the beginning phase of new classicism? What will be answer? Who is the greatest poet of during the beginning phase of new classicism? What will be answer? The answer will be John Milton. Option A is correct. Next question number 6. Who wrote the epic poem Paradise Lost? What will be answer? The answer will be John Milton. Option C is correct. Next question number 7. In which year Paradise Lost came? What will be answer? The answer will be 1667. Option D is correct. Next question number 8. What is the style of epic Paradise Lost? What will be answer? What is the style of epic Paradise Lost? What will be answer? The answer will be Homeric style. Option A is correct. Next question number 9. How many parts book are there in Paradise Lost? What will be answer? The answer will be 12. Option C is correct. Next question number 10. In which year Paradise Regained was published? What will be answer? The answer will be 16. 71. The answer will be 1671. So the option B is correct. 1671, option B is correct. Next question, question number 11. Who wrote the poem Samson Agonist? Who wrote the poem Samson Agonist? What will be answer? Samson Agonist. What will be answer? The answer will be Milton. Option A is correct. Next question. Question number 12. Question number 12. Who wrote the poem on his blindness? Who wrote the poem on his blindness? The answer will be, what will be answer? The answer will be Milton. Option A is correct. Next question, question number 13. Who established the heroic couplet in English literature? Who established the heroic couplet in English literature? What will be answer? The answer will be John Dryden. The answer will be John Dryden. Option B is correct. Next question, question number 14. Who is regarded as the father of English literacy criticism? What will be answer? Who is regarded as the father of English literacy criticism? What will be answer? यहाँ पर लिटरेरी होना चाहिए, लिटरेरी आर है. What will be answer? Who is regarded as the father of English literary criticism? What will be answer? The answer will be John Dryden. Option B is correct. Next question, question number 15. Who became the first poet laureate in England? What will be answer? Who became the first poet laureate in England? What will be answer? John Milton, William Wordsworth, Robert Southey या John Dryden? What will be answer? The answer will be John Dryden. Option D is correct. Next question, question number. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Next question, question number 16. In which year Dryden became poet laureate? यानी किस वर्ष ड्राइडन, जॉन ड्राइडन पोएट लॉरेट हुए? In which year Dryden became poet laureate? What will be answer? The answer will be 1667. No. Sorry. 1668. 1668. So the option C is correct. 1668. Option C is correct. Next question, question number 17. Question number 17. Question number 17. Who wrote The Pilgrim's Progress? What will be answer? Who wrote The Pilgrim's Progress? What will be answer? The answer will be John Bunyan. Option B is correct. Next question. Next question, question number 18. Question number 18. In which year the Pilgrim's Progress published? What will be answer? In which year the Pilgrim's Progress published? What will be answer? The answer will be 1678. 1678. So the option D is correct. Next question, question number 19. Question number 19. Who is the representative dramatist of neoclassical age? What will be answer? The answer will be William Congreve. Option C is correct. Next question, question number 19. Question number 20, sorry. Question number 20. Who wrote the drama The Way of the World? What will be answer? Who wrote the drama The Way of the World? What will be answer? The answer will be William Congreve. William Congreve. Yeah, William Congreve. Option A is correct. The option A is correct. Next question, question number 21. This question extra. Which English dramatist treats love with an objective traditionalism? What will be answer? Which English dramatist treats love with an objective traditionalism? What will be answer? William Shakespeare, William Congreve, William Wordsworth, Thomas Lawes. What will be answer? The answer will be William Congreve. Option B is correct. Next question. तो फ्रेंड्स आज के लिए बस इतना ही। तो आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी, तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अदर भी वोकैब वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशंस पढ़ने के लिए या अदर वोकैब के लिए चैनल पर सर्च करके आप वीडियो पढ़ सकते हैं। और नेक्स्ट टाइम हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर टोटल फिनिश करने के बाद नेक्स्ट इसको समाप्त होने के बाद फिर देखेंगे, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक डालेंगे जो कि हो सकता है ग्रामर से भी हो सकता है। तो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो। फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार।